What do you want to say to Daddy? Kev, what do you want to say to Daddy? You want to say hello? Okay. Say it. Come on.
Hi, Daddy.
What else? What else? Look at the camera. What else?
Give me
Huh? I? I? What's Daddy's name? Do you know Daddy's name?
Yes.
What is it? What's his name? Can you tell me his name?
Daddy.